outside?
Nothing but ocean.
Someone's stuck on the plane wing.
No wing, but
Priscilla, were they in wind?
Probably.
Hi, Charlie. You enjoying Hawaii?
Oh, it's too windy, Jordan. Sorry.
A place called the Sui Cafe, and you can see here our menu, and we're gonna try the Idon beef bowl. Alright, so we are going to be trying. Let's take a look. So cute. It is very Japanese. Look at the authentic green decoration. Look at that. How much? It's not as oniony as I like it.
same as the way I make it at home.
Don't eat the green thing. They try to trick you. That's not a green onion. Shaved ice here. Take a picture, Alexis. Go. Go. Smile. Say the name of the store so we get sponsors.
I have no idea. Lahanai.
Lahanai shaved ice.
Behind here is Diamond Crater, the monument, and the hiking trail. Our parking lot is filled, so we have to wait until 7:30. Now we are off to Diamond Head. Took us how many turns? Tries to see. Wow, there's a lot of pineapples over there. Ooh, there's like, wow, they're charging us $5 just to get in. Now $5 per person for hiking. Are you excited? We're about to go hiking. And there's me off running. Take a quick breather and look about. Jamie, how you feeling? Good? Lots of energy. No wind energy. Good. Okay. Oh, look at this! Wow! Wow. Now look out. That nice blue ocean. So clear.
end rings today. Making some silver rings. So me and Alexis will be making some jewelry together. I'll be making a ring. She'll be making a necklace. A necklace. You can show them your gem. What is the gem that you've chosen? Wow. Okay. Cool. Walking back to our hotel, and then we're going to go eat in a little bit. See you then on our way to walk. Here's my GoPro friend, and this GoPro is not waterproof. Shaved ice.
Hi friends, where are we?
We're at the jungle.
We're at a jungle?
No, we're at Manoa Falls.
Don't forget to
Subscribe the channel.
you can see here views all the way going through here. Obviously this isn't a sandy beach, more of a surfer's beach, but probably the sun is not going to make an appearance anymore. Alright, the seal is sleeping, here we go. Yeah, the whole luggage is hot.
Quitting the game.
What?
Jordan's quitting the game.
Is your Google Play Store or Apple Apps?
Hi friends, today we're still in Hawaii, but now we're going back to California. We're at the Hawaiian airport.
How long is the flight?
6 hours.
So what was your favorite part about this trip?
Oh, I really like the hiking part and my dad picking off the tree. He just goes hold a huge stick and he just hit the tree.
Alright, so now we're going to get Burger King here. We've got to carry the stupid shark toy. And it's going through TSA a lot.